We're at the 23rd annual Father's Day Classic Car Show here in beautiful downtown Warrenton, Virginia. So before we start the video, I wanted to introduce you to the volunteer event coordinator, Christina Ballard. Christina, thank you so much for having us out here.
You're welcome. I love having you guys come out every year.
I appreciate it, really do. So can you tell everybody what it takes to put on a show of this size? It's huge.
Well, we have over 200 cars and bikes every year, so it takes me a year's worth of planning. You have to have a lot of dedication and passion, because if you don't, you can't keep everything together, and a hardworking team is key for success.
And this was the first year you allowed motorcycles.
Yes, we had a whole bike portion of the show, which did great. We're super excited to do it again next year.
Fantastic. All right, guys, so let's get to the video. Let's go around Main Street.
We'll see what we see.
Thanks.
Yep, absolutely.